Tico, don't take food.
No food is the butt. Yeah.
Use your paws up. There you go.
I'll find that footage. We'll grab him up. I'm going to find Nolan before Street does.
I'm gonna touch you.
A special Lego Town event that's not open to...
Dude, you've been getting into shit, huh? Cause this. Excuse me.
Stop. Stop it. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Бедное дитё. Подожди, дай я его.
That can go viral, Moose.
Oh! Oh my god!
Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Get down!
Are you serious? Yeah, alright. Is it because I said you can't have salmon right now? Is that why? Is that why? Whatever, it's already messed up anyways. What more can you...
Hey, Ethel. How do you pronounce this? Oh.
Molly, this is an orange. Okay? This is an apple. Show me the orange.
Hello!
He's like,
He's got a show to perform later.
yeah.
Danielle, thank you. When severe weather is in our forecast, it's important to know where you can go if it gets dangerous. Right now on our website, you can click on the Community tab, and you will find a story with a list of storm shelters all in the...
Careful, baby.
Because he's just living his best life. He looks dead. Tito.
Yes, Tommy. Oh, no. You're doing fantastic, but
¿Usted para dónde se había ido? Escuche. ¿Usted para dónde? ¿Usted para dónde? ¿Usted para qué?
How'd your nose?
Ow! Really? I'm being nice to you. Why would you do that? That's not nice. Okay.
thank you. Please drop them. Please drop them now.
Don't you dare go into there.
Don't you dare. I've got
This is a little excessive. Well, they only turn one once, and we are doing the whole princess theme, but it's gender neutral, of course.
This is my cat with the big round eyes filter. Let's see what your cat looks like with this filter.
What is that? What's that? Your cat?
Ray. Ray.
That's a litter box, ma'am.
She said, what?
I'm home. Okay. It's good to see you.
Oh my God! You know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly, bitch.
Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, kid.
Oh, shoot.
My clothes are finally dry.
What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
We got a new Build-A-Bear, you guys.
Because we got a new Build-A-Bear and then it surprised us with a new cat.
I'm losing my mind. I just looked over at my fucking cat. I just look over and she's laying there like this, just staring at me. Gracie, what are you doing?
Where's your mama gone? Where's your mama gone? Okay, and if you don't, it's A, but I see.
How much did you eat? A. Okay, okay. Oh my god. You have problems.
Cat. Catherine?
Muffin, can I have kisses? What? Can I have kisses? Can I have kisses? Okay, fine, no kisses.
What did they do to you in there?
What do you have? Garbage. Let me see. Ew. Oh. Jesus Christ. It's tomatoes. It's tomatoes.
Resources and placement, like then we can come back to it and solve it. And we need to have a flashlight kickoff, then we'll have a flashlight kickoff to make sure that it
Toulouse, what's on your head? What's wrong? Is your name Jennifer? Oh no!
Oh, don't. Gente, cadê as velas? Ah, tá aqui.
Huh? Wait here.
What was that? What was that?
ништяк.
Stop! Get down! Stop! What are you doing? Are you happy now?
No, no. No, you stop. That's my food.
Anong karapatan mo pareho dyan? Anong yung kita? Anong karapatan mo? Anong karapatan mo? Siyempre, manugang mo na!
어여. 어여. 어여, 아니. 어여여. 어여, 왜?
Did you fall in the bath?
Oh my god, 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 I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
When God made this girl, He did not miss. She hitting on all different angles, all different.
Chico, se é lugar de você estar dormindo, depois cai e quebra o pescoço, desconfia.
Excuse me, my doctor prescribed exercise. Would you have that in a chewable?
Look. They're bonding. Oh, Jesus.
Oh no, no.
Hello.
Hey, no bite! No biting! That's not nice! That's bad!
Trời ơi, thứ dữ rồi.
I think it's a little too big for you, bro. Oh, okay.
Mami, vamos levantar para lanchar. Tá na hora, vamos acordar, mamãe. جان خسته نباشی. بعد نگذره.